I don't know what you heard about me.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Anwar bin Sharan and I'm from SR24338 and I'm gonna talk about swimming in this video ELC 590. So for you guys who don't know what is swimming, so let me tell you guys. Actually, swimming is an individual or team racing sport that require the use of our entire body to move through the water. Swimming can be applied in a pool, sea, or lake. Competitive swimming is one of the most popular Olympic sport. And in competitive swimming, they have 4 types of swimming, which is freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, and a butterfly stroke. So swimming each stroke have the specific technique. So in the competition, there are distinct regulation concerning the acceptable form to for each individual stroke. So there are also regulation on what type of swimming suit, caps, jewelry, and injury tape that are allowed at competition. So in swimming also have rules like that. And so we move to the history. So I gotta tell you guys a little bit about swimming history. So we move to the history. Evidence of recreational swimming in prehistory time has been found, with the earliest evidence dating to Stone Age painting from around 10,000 years ago. So wow, that was a long time ago. And also it have earliest reference to swimming in the Quran, Bible, and the others. So we move to competitive swimming. Competitive swimming actually become popular in the 19th century. So do you guys want to know what a styling fact about this swimming sport? Actually, swimming in competition should create the least resistance in order to obtain maximum speed, right? So, do you guys know what this swimmer do for they can go faster? The swimmer shave off all exposed hair for the sake and of reduced drag and having a slicker and more hydrodynamic feel in the water. So if you guys was the swimmer, are you willing to shave all your exposed hair? And I guess if I was the swimmer, I guess I'm not. So then we will move to swimming style. Like I said earlier, they have 4 types of swimming, which is a freestyle, breaststroke, a backstroke, and butterfly. So, you guys want to know how to swimming using all this technique? Okay, let me tell you guys. First of all, I'm gonna tell about freestyle technique, which is we will circle our arm forward in alternation and kicking the feet up down, also known as a flutter kick. So how about a breaststroke technique? Okay, I can tell you a little bit the technique. In a movement, there are 3 steps, which is outsweep, insweep, and recovery. We will start from the outsweep first. From the streamline position, the palm turn out and the hands separate to slightly past shoulder wide. Followed by the insweep, where the hands point down and push the water backward. At the end of the insweep, the hand came together with facing palm in front of the chest, and the elbow at the side of the body. And for the leg movement, we will use a bend and open close technique, or the other name is a frog kick. And it consists 2 paces, which is the first paces for leg is bringing the feet into position for the thrust pace and the in-sweep pace. And from the initial position, with the leg stretched out backward, then the feet point out in a preparation for the thrust pace. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more. In the thrust pace, the leg are moved elliptically back to the initial position. So during this movement, then the knees are kept together, and the leg moves slower while bringing the leg into position for the thrust pace, and move very fast during the thrust phase. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about swimming technique. So we proceed to the next technique, the backstroke technique. So to use this technique, the arm alternate so that always one arm in underwater while the other arm is recovering. So one complete arm turn where when one complete arm turn is considered one circle. So from the initial position, one arm sting and slightly underwater and turn the palm outward to start the catch phase. So the hand enter downward, then pulling out 45 degree angle and catching in the water. And for the leg movement, it same like a freestyle technique. We're gonna do the flutter kick technique. So, and next we're gonna go to the last technique, which is a butterfly stroke, which is this is the hardest stroke to learn, and we need a lot of patience to learn this stroke. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about a butterfly stroke. So butterfly technique is the dolphin kick, consists of synchronous arm movement with a synchronous leg kick. So in the initial position, the swimming lies on the breast. The arm are stretched to the front, and the leg are extend to the back. This technique swam on the swam on the chest with both arms moving symmetrically, and accompanied by the flutter kick, or also known as a dolphin kick. Butterfly stroke is a more difficult stroke that require good technique as well, and as strong muscle. So that's why swimmer need a lot of patience to learn about this technique. So you guys must be wondering about the size of swimming, right? The swimming pool. So I'm gonna tell you guys, the competition pool must be 50-meter long and 25-meter wide. So and it's also have a 10 lanes label by 0 to 9. So it's a quite weird because it start from the 0. It's not start from the line number 1. So that was a little bit information from me to you guys about swimming. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and hope so we're gonna see in the next video. So thank you.
Wait a minute!